Hello and welcome to this video. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a mosquito trap. Now right now we are in the beginning of the summer, and as we all know, in the summer especially, mosquito and other flying insects will show up frequently in our houses. Now usually mosquito and other flying insects are completely harmless, but nowadays mosquito and insect can cause a real health issue because they can transmit a lot of diseases, deadly diseases like malaria, Ebola virus, etc. So we need to get rid of these mosquitoes from our houses to protect ourselves and our children. So in order to make our mosquito trap, we need to get a bottle, a plastic water bottle or any bottle. It should be a plastic, okay? And we need to get a scissor and then make an incision in the bottle like this, and we need to cut it. As you can see here, now we are going to open a little bit this. Okay, so this part can enter in here. Now this depends on the bottle itself. This is different from bottle to bottle, so in my case this bottle is tight a little bit, so I'm going to open it, as you can see here, like this. Okay, so this is the look of our trap. Okay, now let's remove the bottle cap over here. We don't need this anymore. Now this is the trap. Okay, this is our trap. Now you need to consider when you are making this, you need to let a little distance, okay, like this for example, okay, to the mix, okay, the special mix that we are going to put in our trap, so he will attract the mosquitoes, okay, to get in the trap, okay. And also you need to consider letting a distance of a 1 centimeter at least that separate the head of the bottle and the liquid, okay. So we need to let at least 1 centimeter distance, okay, so the mosquito will be so the mosquito or the insect, okay, can easily enter to the trap, okay. Now what we need to do, going to open this, and what we are going to do is we are going first to put some warm water like this, okay, and then we are going to put 3 or 4 spoons of sugar, and then 1 spoon of yeast, okay. You can put a little bit more, and then you need to mix everything together like this. You need to mix it very well, as you can see here, hopefully on the camera. Now this mix, okay, this mix of yeast and sugar will produce a gas. It's called carbon dioxide gas. This gas, it's completely harmless to people and animal, okay, but what this gas will do is simply attract the mosquitoes and other flying insects like a magnet, okay. Mosquito will leave anything and go to this gas, okay, and go to the source of this gas, okay. And our trap, okay, designed and our trap is designed so when mosquito will enter, they will not be able to come out. Okay, So we are going to put this part here. As you can see here, mosquitoes have a little bit space. There is a little bit space between the mix, okay, and the head of the bottle, so mosquito can enter easily. We're going to secure this with scotch tape, okay, so if there are any holes or anything, we can close it with scotch tape, as you can see here. Okay, so we are going to fix it with the scotch tape here. You can see here. Now, as you can see here, our trap is ready. So let's go ahead and test it out. Hello and welcome again. Now I did leave this trap in my backyard for a few hours, and as you can see here the result, there are a lot of mosquitoes dead inside of the trap. And also, as you can see here, hopefully on the camera, let me focus a little bit the image. As you can see here, there is some flies also beside mosquitoes, okay? So there are a lot of insects, okay? So this trap got a lot of insects and killed them. Okay, so as you can see here, also there are another type of insects in here, as you can see here, hopefully on the camera. And let me move this a little bit. As you can see here, this is another type of insect. And like I said previously, the carbon dioxide gas is completely harmless for people and animal. It's even completely harmless for the insect themselves, okay? The only thing this gas is doing is will attract the insect, so they will be entered into the trap, and when they enter in the trap, they will not be able to come out because they need to fly backwards, okay? So they will die eventually. So they will be locked in the trap and they will die eventually, or you can simply shake the trap, okay? So the insects will drop in the water and they will drain, okay? So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. So thank you for watching. Until next time.